Recovery gold from electrolyte polishing liquid. Part 1. Required materials. 99.99% pure zinc wire. The higher the purity, the better. Plastic container at least 3 times larger than the electrolyte volume. Zinc wire reacts with the electrolyte to produce large amounts of foam. A larger container prevents overflow. 800 mesh or finer filter cloth or filter paper. Induction melting furnace or high-temperature torch. For melting and recovering the final metal into gold ingots. Part 2. Operation steps. Step 1. Filter out the impurities from the used electrolyte, separating the abrasive and polishing liquid, and pour the electrolyte into a large plastic container. Step 2. Remove the titanium basket from the machine and clean off the K-gold residues attached to it. The recovered K-gold powder or film can be directly melted into K-gold. Step 3. Add saturated zinc wire to the electrolyte. The weight of the zinc wire should be 3 times the weight of the K-gold loss in the electrolyte. K-gold loss is calculated by subtracting the total weight of the jewelry after polishing from the total weight before polishing. For example, if the jewelry weighed 10 kilograms before polishing and 9.5 kilograms after, the loss is 500 g, so 1.5 kilograms of zinc wire should be added. Step 4. After adding the zinc wire, stir intermittently, about once every hour for 15 minutes. Total reaction time is around 3 to 5 hours, depending on the dissolution of the zinc. Once the zinc is fully dissolved into powder, let the solution sit for 2 hours. Then take a small sample of the surface electrolyte using a container and add a small piece of zinc wire. If the zinc no longer dissolves, the K-gold has been fully recovered. If it still dissolves, some K-gold remains, and a small amount of zinc should be added for further reaction. This step is critical to recovery rate and must be tested carefully and repeatedly. Step 5. Use filter cloth or paper to filter out the precipitated metal. Dry it thoroughly. Step 6. Melt the filtered metal using an induction melting furnace, and pour it into a mold to form a recovered gold bar. Note: the purity of the recovered gold depends on the purity of the jewelry being polished. For example, if the jewelry being processed is 18K gold, the recovered gold will also be close to 18K in purity.